Say hello to the Kenwood 70-liter electric oven.
It's built for big meals, bold flavors, everyday convenience, and reliable performance in your kitchen. It's built to handle your daily cooking with ease. And it includes drip pan, grill rack, and crumb tray. At the back, it features a powerful heating system with proper ventilation for even cooking and safety. Inside, you'll find a spacious 70-liter interior, perfect for baking, grilling, roasting, and family-sized meals. The front control knobs let you easily adjust temperature, giving you full control every time. The adjustable rack allows flexible cooking positions, whether you're baking cakes or roasting chicken. And it comes with a user manual for easy setup, usage, and safety tips, making it beginners friendly. It's stylish and practical. Bring great cooking home. Find a Kenwood 70-liter electric oven at Mito Shoppers.